In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable link previews here in the WhatsApp app. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But in this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it when the link previews don't actually show up here in WhatsApp. The first thing that you're going to want to do on an iPhone once you open up WhatsApp, and don't worry, we're covering this on Android as well, is simply tap on the settings gear in the bottom right. On Android, you're going to have to click the three dots up in the top right and then select settings. From here, the rest of the steps are the exact same. Scroll down to privacy, and then you're going to see an option for advanced. At the bottom of this page, go ahead and select that. There's going to be this option that says disable link previews. Just make sure that this is switched off just like so. And now when you go back to WhatsApp and you go to any of your chats that might have had a link within them, you're going to see that link preview. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Your WhatsApp should now show link previews again. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out here on the channel and we greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.